Hi and welcome back to Spot on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix one of the most common problems in Jeep Patriots and Jeep Compasses. This is gonna apply to Jeep Patriots, Jeep Compass made from 2011 and all the way up to 2017, equipped with 2.4-liter cylinder engine. One of the common problems on those engines is misfire. So you can tell that you have misfire if your vehicle is idling rough, if you have check engine light and then you have misfire codes. In my case, the problem is when I'm driving and then when I accelerate, my vehicle would start jerking or bucking. I do not have engine light on, my idle is actually pretty good. But like I said, while driving and then accelerating, occasionally vehicle will start bucking and jerking. This is a straightforward job and you should be able to do it by yourself without going to mechanical shop and wasting hundreds of dollars. If this video helps, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. For the replacement spark plugs, I'm gonna be using NGK brand with this part number. So first you will have to open your hood by pulling this hood latch. When your hood is open, you will have to remove this engine plastic cover. So basically just want to lift it up. It has 4 points of attachment. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna flip it on the other side and now you can see 2, 3, 4. Now to complete this job I'm gonna be using Torx bit number 30 and I'm gonna be using that to remove those Torx screws. You have 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, one on each coil. And also I'm gonna be using ratchet with extension and as you can see here 5/8 socket for spark plugs. And you want to just make sure that your socket has a rubber inside and that way you will be able to pick up and pull out your spark plug. As you can see, I have these plugs that are connected to the coils. So first I'm gonna remove those. So basically you wanna push down on this tab and pull it out. On some vehicles you will have a connector with this red security tab. So if you have one like that, first you will have to pull this red tab down and then push on this gray tab and also pull it out. I'm gonna pull all of them. Alright, now next step is gonna be removing these coils. For that I'm using Torx bit number 30. Now remove those. I'm gonna put them here. Now before you remove your coils, you should inspect your area inside here. If you have any dirt, it's a good idea to clean it up, blow it out, so you don't have any dirt going inside the spark plugs holes. Now I'm gonna remove this coil. You just wanna pull it straight up. Wiggle it a little bit and then pull it out. And now I'm gonna pull this first spark plug out, replace it with new one, and I'm gonna go to the next one then. You wanna make sure that you put this straight down and then slowly turn it counterclockwise. And when it's loose enough, I'm gonna remove the ratchet, and now I'm just gonna pull it out. You can see the comparison between new one and the old one. See, the gap is much different. And now when I'm installing new spark plug, I'm gonna insert it into this socket, and now slowly I'm gonna push it down the hole. And now I'm gonna snug it tight just with my hand. And now I'm gonna use the ratchet. So proper torque for this engine is actually 20 foot-pounds. I currently don't have torque wrench with measurement. I'm gonna hand tight it. Make sure you don't over tight, and make sure it's not too loose. Now I'm gonna put coil back inside. Put this torque screw. And now this is all tightened up. I'm not gonna plug it in yet, so this wiring is not on my way while I'm doing the other ones. So this is the next one. Pull out the coil, and now start turning it counterclockwise. Make sure you unscrew it all the way before you pull it out. So now when it's loose, you just want to slowly lift it up. There we go. I'm gonna slowly insert new one inside. First I'm doing it by hand only, and then hand tight with the ratchet. Remember, go by the feeling, don't over tighten it, but also make sure it's not too loose. When it starts feeling tight, that's enough. Put the coil back inside. Screw. We're going on the third one. Just do it slowly, you don't want to break anything, and then pull it straight up. And going in with the third one. Coil back inside. Slowly pull it up. And now finish it with a ratchet. And now I will plug in those plugs. Make sure it clicks. Double check. And that's it. This job is done. You can put your engine cover back on and fire up your vehicle. Make sure you fixed your problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.